Introducing the Ramsol Canister Self-Contained Spray System, active protection for you. Here we have Giles going to demonstrate the canister system, which is a very simple gun with an adjustment wheel at this point. Just wind it right back and pull the trigger. And there you have it. The hose is connected to the canister, goes through the side of the box and into the top onto the canister valve. Simply turn the tap on and you have a live sanitizing, disinfecting system. It comes out in a fog mist spray, very fast and effective application. Office chairs, office environments, no external power source. It's just attach the hose and away you go. So Giles is just carrying the canister around. He can just move around as he wants and effectively disinfect any surface, hard or soft. This product can also be used effectively on the skin.